Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled, right? So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now if your Snapchat is temporarily disabled, the best thing is to just wait it out for 10 to 15 minutes and then your account will be recovered, right? But if you want to recover your account, what you need to do is just simply go to the login page, right? And under it you'll have an option that says forget password, right? Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on the forget password and you'll have an option that says via phone or via email, right? Now choose the option to recover your account, right? Now this doesn't guarantee your fix, but it is what you can try, right? And if this doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is just simply go to the App Store and then type in Snapchat on the search bar and check to see if the app is up to date or not, right? And if it's not up to date, simply tap on update to have the latest version available to you, which fixes any bugs or have improvements to run the app smoothly, right? Now if this doesn't still fix the issue, what you can do is just go to the settings app and then tap on general. And once you tap on general, here tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, simply scroll down and select this Snapchat app, right? And once you select the Snapchat app, here tap on offload app, and what it does, it clears any caches and fixes any bugs that is present in the app which might be having the issue, which might be causing the issue for you, right? And once that process is complete, tap on reinstall app instead of this offload app, and once you do that, your problem should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.